Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is a review about the Spectra premium radiator for the Toyota Rav4 2005. And this is me, 1976 Ismail. I'll give you a tip. I don't know about yours, but my I recently posted a video about fixing your radiator. So like I said, I recently posted a video saying about my my repair thing. It didn't last long. It lasted about maybe 20 days and that's it. And this is the Spectra Premium. The box is a little bit damaged, but the radiator is not bad. There is some spot somewhere. I show you in a minute. So this is the old one, the original one for the 2005 Rav4, and that's the replaced one. As you can see, it's got this transmission fluid pipe over there. Let's have a honest review at the back. This part is not boxed very well. It's not packed very well. So there's the damage over here. As you can see, it's not bad. I don't think it will do anything bad. Like I said, there is no difference. This is the old one just come out of, and that's the new one. So what I'm going to do, I will leave this one on here, let it hang, or I can take it off so it'll be easy to install it. I think I'm going to take it off, but that's it. That's how my old one look like. From here to there. New one, that's the bottom one, right there. Top. Right there. That one, that's how it look like. This is still the new one. The new one, it comes with 5 nuts, and it doesn't come with a cup. This is the old one, so I guess I had to use the old one because it does not come with a cup over here. As you can see, I am removing this one over here. That's it. That's how it stays. And there's an O-ring in there. You can take that off as well. And this one here as well. Found nut that comes with it that you can put over here for the fan. Right there. One goes there and here. The 4 of them, and one in the bottom over here beside this hole over here. That is after the fan being mounted back on. It looks perfect. It fits good. But I'll give you a tip. I don't know about yours, but it's kind of hard to mount this side back on, so I had to put that down first and then the top one. That was easy. Okay, new one's in. It wasn't too bad. It's easy installation. If you wanna know how to install it or to replace it, you should check out my previous video. It shows there how to take it out, how to take all this stuff up over here. So check out the other video. And that's it. If you did like this video or it helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, whatever you wanna do. And thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.